Good morning everyone. Today I will take the class science of class 9, okay? The chapter fundamental unit of life, the rest of the part. So today I will learn about the different types of cell organelles. So what is cell organelles? All of you have some idea about that. The small particles, you can say that small organelle is membrane bound, that is present in the cell and also helps in the different activities of the cell, okay? To maintain their shape, their structure, their function, okay? That is called cell organelles. So you can say that the membrane bound small structures, the membrane bound wall structures present in cell and helps in chemical activities to maintain or to support, you can say that, to support the cell's structure and function. Okay, so that is cell organelles, the membrane bound small structures present in cell and helps in chemical activities to support the cell structure and function. Okay, so because they are membrane bound, they are separated from each other and they different cell organelles have different functions, so they are differentiated from each other by the membrane. And mainly in the eukaryotic cell you almost found all type of cell organelles, but in prokaryotic cell 1 or 2 mitochondria, this type of, okay, which is very much needed for their cell, not so much. And in the eukaryotic cell you can find all types of cell organelles that may be different in animal cell and plant cell, okay. Plastid is present in plant cell but plastid is absent in animal cell. Centrosome present in animal cell but centrosome absent in plant cell, okay. This type of difference you can find out between the plant cell and animal cell. But the membrane bound small structure present in the cell helps in chemical activities to support the cell structure and function, that is called cell organelles. Give the some example, you can also say that endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, the lysosome, mitochondria, plastid, anything, okay. That is the example. Now we study about the detail about the structure and function of each and every cell organelles. First one, endoplasmic reticulum. That is, you can small form called ER, okay. So endoplasmic reticulum, first we go through the structure. What is its structure? All of you know that, you can see that inside the animal cell there is just a long tube like structure are present, this type of structure, that is endoplasmic reticulum, okay. Throughout the cell it is one type of transport channel, helps in anything transport through the cell to cell, organelles to organelles by this endoplasmic reticulum. So structure, membrane bound, membrane bound, large network, contain long tubules and seed. Okay. First one you can say that. Second one looks like tube, round or bag. Another one, the membrane of ear is same like plasma membrane. So this is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. First one, membrane bound large network all over the cells. It is spread here and there, and it's looking like tubule like structure and seed. Okay, seed means membrane like structure. So membrane bound large network contains long tubules and seed. Looks like tube, it's maybe tube, it's maybe round, it's maybe bag like structure. Okay, so looks like tube, round or bag, and membrane of ear is same like plasma membrane. Just like plasma membrane, that is also made by the protein and lipid and protein bilayer structure. It is also bilipid layer structure. Okay, so this is the main structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Next, function. What is the types? How many types of endoplasmic reticulum are there? Types, two types, RER and ACR. Okay, RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. R for rough. Okay, ROUGH, rough, and S for smooth. Okay, so RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum, ACR means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Why it is rough, why it is smooth, or difference between RER and ACR? That is contains ribosome. Another cell organelle is also present, that is called ribosome, and ribosomes are attached with the membrane of this type of ER. Okay, so for that reason its surface you can feel rough, that is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum, there is no ribosomes are present on the surface of the ER membrane, so for that reason that is smooth. Okay, and RER produce protein, ACR produce lipid. Okay, that is two main difference between RER and ACR. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum, ACR means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is called rough endoplasmic reticulum because ribosome is attached with this membrane, but ACR there is no ribosome are present with this membrane. Okay, and RER produce protein and ACR produce lipid. Okay, this is two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Next, function. What is the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum? Function, I have told one function of each, that is first one, RER produces protein, or it is the manufacture site of protein. Second one, ACR is produces or synthesizes, you can say that, manufacture anything, manufactures lipid. Okay, this type of protein and lipid helps in the formation of plasma membrane. Okay, this type of lipid and protein helps in building plasma membrane. So it's called membrane biogenesis. It is called membrane biogenesis. Next, it helps in some biochemical activities of the cells. helps in some biochemical activities of cell. Okay, so this is the functions of the RER and ACR. And RER function, RER produce protein, it is protein manufacturing site. ACR protein produce lipids, it is lipid manufacturing site. This type of lipid and protein helps in building plasma membrane, it is called membrane biogenesis. Okay, so the process by which protein and lipid helps in building plasma membrane, it is called membrane biogenesis. So what is membrane biogenesis? Important question. Okay, another one, it helps in some biochemical activities of the cell. So many activities occurs in the cell to leave the cell. Okay, this type of activities occurs by this cell. It helps it by the ER. And another function of ACR, number 5, ACR helps detoxifying. ACR helps in detoxifying the poisons and drugs from liver cell of animal. Okay, another function. So first one, there is a 5 function of the endoplasmic reticulum. First one, RER helps in protein manufacturing, ACR helps in lipid manufacturing. This protein and lipids helps to build the plasma membrane. This process called membrane biogenesis. Another one, it also helps in some biochemical activities. And another most important function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum that present our body, that is helps to detoxifying. If there is any poisonous foreign material, another harmful material enter inside our side in our liver cell, that is detoxified or removed by the ACR. Okay, this is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Another function also, that is also helps in transportation of some material. Okay, next, Golgi apparatus. It is discovered by Camillo Golgi. So for the reason, by this scientist, this scientist discovered that Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus, whose name is Camillo Golgi, and this scientist, according to his name, this apparatus is named by his name, that is Golgi apparatus. Okay, first one, structure. What is the structure? Obviously membrane bound. Membrane bound vesicle. Membrane bound vesicle parallel to each other and in stock. In stock. In stock is in stock, stacks, and is called cisterns. Next one, Golgi membrane. Golgi membrane is attached with the ER membrane. So this is the structure of Golgi bodies that is discovered by the Camillo Golgi. So for that reason it is called Golgi bodies. And this is structure membrane bound. Golgi bodies just look like sac-like structure, one by one stalk. It is one over one, this type of structure, okay, one over another, this type of structure, stalk like, this is called stalk like structure, and it is called cisterns, okay. It arranged one by one, just like the sac, one, this is stone, one above another, this type of structure. Membrane bound vesicle parallel to each other, one by one, parallel to each other, okay. Membrane bound vesicle parallel to each other in stalk is called cistern. So what is cistern? The structure of the Golgi bodies where what is cistern? The structure of the Golgi bodies where each sac-like structure or vesicle arranged one by one, or you can say that in stalk, is called cisterns, okay. And Golgi membrane is attached with the endoplasmic reticulum membrane, okay, because it is also helps in their packaging material and transporting their material, okay, that is produced by the endoplasmic reticulum, that is also transported through the Golgi apparatus. So Golgi membrane is attached with the endoplasmic reticulum membrane. Function of Golgi bodies. Helps to dispatch material from inside to outside of cell involved in packaging modification and storage of material Another one, instead involved in packaging modification and storage of material, helps to dispatch material from inside to outside of the cell. Another one, it helps to form complex sugar from simple sugar. Another one, helps in formation of lysosome. So this is the function of the Golgi bodies, helps to dispatch material that is produced by the endoplasmic reticulum and another organelles. It first stored in the Golgi bodies, it converted into something that is packaged, means that is protected, okay, and not that is, this is not a shop you just package material or anything, okay. So package means storage or modification into the something that not be destroyed by the other enzymes or other anything that present in the cell, okay. So that is helps to dispatch material from inside to the outside of the cell or outside to the inside of the cell, and involved in packaging, modification and storage of material that is produced by the another organelles, that is also packaging or protected, that is also modification. One material is produced by another organelles, that is modified into another materials, okay, just like simple sugar to complex sugar, okay, and helps to form complex sugar from the simple sugar. Complex sugar, simple sugar, that is is carbohydrate, glucose to fructose, anything that is produced by these Golgi bodies, and it also helps in formation of the another cell organelles, that is lysosome. Okay, Golgi bodies helps to form the lysosome. So helps to dispatch material from inside to outside of the cell, involved in packaging, modification and storage of material, helps to form complex sugar to simple sugar, and helps in formation of lysosome. Okay, this is the functions of the Golgi bodies. Next, lysosome. Another cell organelle, that is lysosome. It is called suicide bag of the cell. Okay, so first lysosome structure. Membrane bound, sac filled with digestive enzymes. These enzymes are produced by RER. Okay, so different cell organelles perform the different function for their each other also, not for the cell. Okay, they are related. Golgi bodies are also related. Golgi bodies RER and lysosome also related, so they cannot also live without each other. They are also helps in the formation, anything materials transformation, anything work, that is also they are doing with the help of the each other. So structure of lysosome: membrane bound, sac filled, sac like structure, just looking like this type of round like structure, that is lysosome. It filled with the digestive enzyme. This enzyme also called lysozyme, that is not present in your book, so no need to recall that. Lysozymes. Okay, lysosome produce lysozymes that helps to destroy the another cells that is harmful for our body. So structure: membrane bound, sac filled with digestive enzyme. These enzymes are produced by RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so that enzyme that is present inside the lysosome produced by the RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Function: suicide bags. All obviously it helps to digest the harmful material. First one, it is a waste disposal site. Okay, second one, it helps to clean the cell by the help of digestive enzymes. Okay, another one, during cell disturbance, when the cell get damaged, the lysosome burst and digest their own cell. So it is called suicide bag. Okay, so this is the first waste disposal sites, means anything that is harmful, anything that is produced after any cellular activities, all the waste material, harmful material disposed or storage into the lysosome, because there is another enzyme is present which dissolve all these things. So waste disposal site, obviously it helps to clean the cell. It obviously helps to clean the cell. Cell will be cleaned by the lysosome because it contains the enzymes which are very powerful. It has the capability to digest any type of foreign material, any type of organic material that present in the cell. Okay. Next one, why it is called suicidal? During cell disturbance, anything happened with the cell, maybe you can harm by the any accident, you can hurt by the anything, your cell get damaged. Okay, these damaged cells all times that is not removed from our body. Okay, that is digested by the lysosome. Lysosome also can digest its own cell. Okay, so that is called cellular suicidal bag. Okay, so during cell disturbance, when the cell get damaged, the lysosome burst and digest their own cells, so it is called suicide bag. Okay, so today we have learned about three organelles: endoplasmic reticulum, structure, types, function; Golgi body, structure, functions; and lysosome, structure and function. Okay, read it carefully, and next day we will go through the another parts of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.